We're paying for the Anglo-Irish Bank, we're paying for the crimes of the bankers. I didn't come here to use bad words, but there's only one word rhymes with bankers. Which side are you on? Which side are you on? Which side are you on now? Which side are you on?
We're a bit scared about the government's attitude to the arts, you know? Well, not a bit scared, we're terrified because it's not their bag. One of the things that we're fighting against is the competition authority ruling that we're not allowed to organise Irish Actors Equity or the MUI in the way that other working people are allowed to, you know, and this is insane. I mean, words fail me.